Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 11.2 question number 5. To find the sum of any three numbers 14, 27 and 13 we can have two ways. We may first add 14 and 27 to get 41 and then add 13 to it to get the total sum 54. Or we, or we may add 27 and 13 to get 40 and then add 14 to get the sum 54. Thus we can say that 14 plus 27 plus 13 is equal to 14 plus 27 plus 13. This can be done for any three numbers. This property is known as the associativity of addition of numbers. Express this property by which we have already studied in the chapter on whole numbers in a general way by using variables a, b, c. Suppose there are three variables a, b and c. According to the associativity of addition of numbers, according to the associativity, associativity, TIVI, according to associativity of addition of numbers of addition of numbers we can say in bracket a plus b plus c is equal to a plus in bracket b plus c. That is, first of all we have to add the two numbers a plus b and add the result with the variable c. In this way, first you have to add b plus c and add the result with the variable a. Then we will get the same result. This property is known as associativity of addition of numbers. Therefore, you can say that in bracket a plus b plus c is equal to a plus in bracket b plus c will be same. And this property is known as associativity of addition of numbers. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.